In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform an old boring t-shirt into this cute crop top. Start by marking the neckline and cutting the excess material away. I'm taking in the shoulder strap to make the neckline a little bit higher. If your shirt is too big, like mine, try it on again and take it in at the sides. Also mark how long you want the top to be. Try on the top again to see if it fits properly. I had to remove some fabric at the armpits because I took in the shoulder strap earlier. If you are happy with the shape of the neckline, you can finish off the edges. Finish off the bottom edge of the top. Now make a strap from the leftover material. The last step is to attach the strap.